Good afternoon, ma'am. Will be these brushes enough for this
Good
watercolor
afternoon,
paint?
everyone. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? Are you
Fine.
all doing fine?
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon. Good afternoon. I'm sorry. Yesterday there was some issues, so we couldn't have our class. So today we're having both of our sessions. Today we're having both of our sessions. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
firstly, for watercolors, I would like to advise. I would like to advise A4 or A3 size paper. A3 size paper है तो 2 सेंटीमीटर का border from all the four sides. Okay. A4 साइज का पेपर है तो 1 सेंटीमीटर बॉर्डर फ्रॉम ऑल द फोर साइड्स. A5 A6 साइज का भी पेपर है या ड्राइंग बुक है तो 1 सेंटीमीटर का बॉर्डर ऑन ऑल द फोर साइड्स. ओके एवरीवन, इज दैट क्लियर?
Ma'am, ma'am, I have drawing book. It's centimeter 21 centimeter.
Ritika, many a times you are saying me
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have drawing book. I suppose it is a A4 size drawing book for you. Every time I am saying 1 centimeter border. 1 centimeter border.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, kindly draw the borders. I am also doing the same. Then I will say you the watercolor part. Will do the background, and then we will keep it for drawing. Drawing. By that time, I will be taking one by one the story part. Okay, everyone. Is everyone able to see my paper clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So I am having A3 size paper. I am having A3 size paper.
Ma'am, which horizontal or vertically, ma'am?
2 सेंटीमीटर फर्स्ट. चारों भी बॉर्डर को तो सेम ही करना है ना बच्चा.
No, ma'am. How we are gonna do the painting?
That I will say you first. Kindly draw the borders. पेंटिंग कैसे करना है वो मैं आप लोगों को बताती हूँ. पहले बॉर्डर बनाइए सभी लोग. Kindly draw the borders from all the four sides. Kindly everyone draw the borders from all the four sides.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम। मैम हमने मोटा ब्रश लेना है कि पतला लेना है? मैम हमने मोटा ब्रश लेना है कि पतला लेना है?
मोटा भी चलेगा बच्चा, पतला भी चलेगा, एनी वॉट एवर यू हैव।
मैम ये देखो मेरे पास ये दोनों है। मैम मैं मोटा लूंगी। मेरे पास ये है। मेरे पास ये है। और ये। मैम मेरे पास ये और ये है।
बच्चा कोई भी ब्रश चलेगा।
मैम दिस इज करेक्ट।
यस, एनी ऑफ योर ब्रशेस विल डू।
मैम दिस इज करेक्ट।
यस यस।
थैंक यू मैम।
Everyone done with the borders?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
सी लोग, सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है? पहले ब्रश में पानी लेना है, खाली खाली पानी लेना है और पूरे पेपर पे ऐसे रखना है। हम स्लीपिंग में ड्राइंग बना रहे हैं, हम स्लीपिंग में ड्राइंग बना रहे हैं। पूरा पेपर में पहले पानी का हाथ ऐसा लेना है, पानी का ब्रश, खाली वाटर का ब्रश ऐसे करो। ओके, are you able to understand everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a second.
Ma'am, I'm not seeing your camera.
Yes, because I was getting some call. Are you all done?
No, ma'am. Wait, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Over, miss, over.
All done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now take all
No,
your
ma'am.
yellow and orange color and mix both the colors. Take your yellow and orange color and mix both the colors. Okay? Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in where I have to mix?
On in the color palette or in the tray.
Okay, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
What are you doing, ma'am?
We have taken our drawing paper. Then we have done the borders. After that, just only the brush of water we have done on the entire page. Now I am taking the mixture of orange and yellow color and I am going to color that. Mix orange and yellow color very well. Okay? Look everyone. Now this is my down part, this is my up part. So down part will be yellow. The mixture of orange and yellow. Down part will be the mixture of orange and yellow what we have done just now. Okay? Remember while doing, don't take more of water. While doing this, don't take more of water. Don't let your color come out of the border. And keep coloring only in one direction. Don't change the direction. अभी ये जो मिक्सचर किया है ये नीचे से from down it has to be done half the page. From down it has to be done half of the page.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you repeat the instructions?
Take a mixture of orange and yellow color and from down just do it till half the page. आधा पेज नीचे से लेके बीच में आना है, आधा पेज करना है. जो हमने अभी कलर मिक्स किया ना वो कलर का आधा पेज करना है कलर. Understood? Is there a difficulty to understand? Anyone?
Yes, ma'am, understood. Ma'am, yes, I don't have orange, ma'am.
Then take a combination of red and yellow. Kindly जो भी parent है वो mute पे हो जाओ please. Parents, I request you, let the kids do. This is a very easy thing. They love doing watercolors. Okay, everyone, from down, half the page. From down, half the page. Did you all understood? Are all doing? From down, half the page. Now, above side. Above side. Above side should be the mixture of orange and red. Orange and red. Okay? See, we are going to start from up. We are going to start from up. Then we are going to come in the middle. First we will start from the top. Then we are going to come in the middle. Keep coloring only in one direction. See, I started in sleeping. I am coloring in sleeping only. You can move your paper for your ease, but kindly don't move yourself.
Ma'am, which color are you doing?
बच्चा ये ऑरेंज और रेड का मिक्सचर है.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. And remember to take it a little of the orange and red when you come here down. Inside that mixture, what we have done of orange and yellow.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All of you done this much?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Kindly keep on raising hand also so that I can call you for the stories also one by one. Okay, now everyone let it dry. Everyone let your painting dry.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, after orange and yellow, what we should do?
ऑरेंज एंड येलो हमने नीचे किया ना मिक्स करके. अभी
Yes.
हमें हाँ अभी हमें उसके बाद रेड और ऑरेंज का मिक्सचर करना है ऊपर.
Okay, ma'am.
Do it fast. You have not started. When will it dry? Okay, everyone. Are all done?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Ma'am, my paper is not drying.
अरे it will dry slowly. कलर करके हो गया ना, पेपर को ड्राई करने रख दो एंड वन बाय वन रेज हैंड का ऑप्शन क्लिक करो. आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू ऑल योर स्टोरीज. Yes, first Santosh Patil. Santosh Patil,
Yes, ma'am.
please send me your story, bacha.
Ma'am, I have sent a video, ma'am.
You have to say it now.
Okay, ma'am. Long,
Yes.
long
And
ago.
everyone should be on mute. When she is saying that time, everyone should be on mute.
Long, long ago, there was a forest. In that forest, there was a tiny house. In that tiny house lived two people, Jadendra and Jadendra's son Mahendra. One morning, they both went for a walk in the jungle. Then Mahendra saw a bag of chocolates and said, Papa, Papa, can I get that bag? So Jadendra said that no beta, they are strange things. You can't touch the strange things, said Jadendra. So he said, okay, Papa, and they both went to home. That same night, Mahendra woke up when Jadendra was sleeping. Mahendra woke up and gone to pick up the bag of chocolates. When he was picking up the bag of chocolates, a strange person catched Mahendra. And when he was looking, the strange person, when he was looking at the other side, Jadendra came and saw the strange man. By seeing Jadendra, the strange man started running. So the moral and Mahendra said, okay, Papa, now I understood why you were saying that thing. The moral of the story is always listen to your elders. Don't disrespect your elders. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, very good, very nicely said, very nicely said. Okay, Lisa Dassa, you don't have anything to present your story?
Ma'am, yesterday I presented, ma'am, but that house broke, ma'am.
Story of lion.
I'll present again, ma'am. Wait, ma'am.
Lisa Dassa.
Yes.
Everyone else to be on mute, please.
Ma'am.
Just a moment, Lisa, just a moment. Yes, Lisa, you can start. Lisa, you...
Ma'am, look here. This is my mouse and this is my lion. Once upon a time, there was one lion He was king of. She's king of jungle. There was a tiny mouse. She stepped on the lion leg, and lion is very angry. Lion is very angry, and lion was roar, and mouse say, please sorry, please spare me. Then lion is let him go. Then one day hunter came. He put net on the line, and mouse helped the lion by bite in the net. So lion said thank you. As moral of the story is, friend in need is a friend indeed. Thank you, Ma.
Very good, very good. Yes, a friend in need is a friend in deed. Very good. Nice. Keep it up. Okay.
Thank you.
Ritika Challa.
Once upon a time,
Wait. Everyone, जिसका भी कलर करके हो गया है, kindly let your color dry by that time. Okay? Yes, Ritika.
Once upon a time. Tell the story.
Aryan Tejas, kindly raise hand.
Okay, ma'am.
Litika, you can start, and now everyone else should be on mute.
Once upon a time, Ramu and Shamu were close friends. Once both were passing through a thick forest. Suddenly a bear came across them. Shamu ran and climbed upon a tree, but Ramu stood still there. He quickly lay down on the ground to act dead. When bear came near Ramu, he held his breath. Bear sniffed his face and moved air. After some time, Samu got down the tree and asked, what was the bear saying in your ear? Ramu replied, it said, stay away from shellfish steps. Friends, moral of this story, keep away from shellfish, friends.
Brilliant. Very good. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Aryan Tejas.
Yes, ma'am.
Start, bacha.
Yes, ma'am. The story of the road. It is early morning. The road is asleep. Everything is quiet. But listen. But listen, the birds are calling softly. Chirp, 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 say the sparrow. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Cow, 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 say the crow. Cow, cow, wake up, wake up. Here is someone yelling now. Tring-a-ling, tring-a-ling. It is a newspaper boy. Tring-a-ling, tring-a-ling. Say his bicycle. Tring-a-ling, wake up. Chirp, 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 say the sparrows. Chirp, chirp, cow, cow, say the Crow, wake up. Who is this coming now? It is the vegetable man. Peas, cauliflower, cabbage, say the vegetable man. Potatoes, cucumbers, radish, carrots. Cow, say the crow. Wake up, chirrup, chirrup, say the sparrow. Tramp, tramp, tramp. Chatter, chatter, chatter. Who are these? They are children going to school. Chatter, chatter, talk to school children. Trap, 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 go their shoes. Peas, carrot, cabbages call the vegetable man. Chirrup, chirrup, say the sparrows. Cow, cow, say the crow. Wake up, cow, cow, say the crow. Cow, cow, wake up, wake up. Ask the road. Cannot you see, you foolish bird? I am wide awake. Thank you, ma'am.
Very
you,
good.
ma'am.
Very good. Yes, yes. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Vidya Sarat. Vidya Sarat.
Hi everyone. I am Manu. Um, that today I'm gonna say the story of Mongoose and the Brahmin. Once there was a Brahmin who gave a birth to a boy baby, and in the same time, a Mongoose also gave a baby. Then, um, when mother gave the baby, then Mangu's mother died, and then Brahmin Pujari taked it, and he came to the home, and he said to his wife that from now you should take care this Mangu like your baby. The wife said this will harm our baby, but Pujari Brahmin said that it won't harm if you take care it well. Nothing will happen. One day when um, the priest the priest gone the um, the wife gone to get water, then a snake came into the home, then Mangu killed it, but when blood on his mouth, and Mangu's body was covered with blood, so wife the Pujari's wife killed the Mangu. As the as she came to the house, then she thought that her baby was safe. A snake was full of the blood. Then the moral is you should not judge a book by its cover. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Very good, Vidya Sarat. Very good. Yes, Richa Motwani. Prisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
My story's name is The Old Ice Cream. I have drawn this for the story.
Very good. Very good. You have drawn it on yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Start your story.
Once upon a time, a poor boy was walking on the street on a summer afternoon. It was hot, but he did not have a home to go. He stood under the shade of the trees. Suddenly, he saw an ice cream truck pass by. The ice cream vendor cried out, "Vanilla, chocolate, butterscotch. Take whichever flavor you want." The boy looked for money in his pockets, but he could only find few nuts. Disheartened, he began to walk away from the truck. The greedy ice cream vendor thought, let me give him an old ice cream in exchange of the nuts. I would eat them on my way back home. He called the boy and gave him the ice cream. The boy thanked him and happily sat under the tree. While eating the nuts, the vendor realized that the nuts were stale. He immediately understood that what you do comes back to you. The moral of the story is, what you sow, so shall you reap. Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice, very nice, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Vedant Patil.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready with your story, bacha?
Ma'am, I am not ready, ma'am. Only 2 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
Everyone, is your paper dried?
No, ma'am.
Samruddhi, is your sister there?
No, ma'am.
Your sister is not there?
It's not dried, ma'am. Mine.
What?
My paper is not dried.
No, your sister is there today or not?
Ma'am,
Is there anyone else whose story is remaining?
ma'am, Samudri Patil chat, no, ma'am.
What?
Samudri Patil chat in chat box, he chat, no, ma'am.
Everyone, is your color dried?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, once your color is dried, you can first give the black sketch pen border from all the four sides.
border is done.
Okay. Everyone else, the color is dried. We are going to proceed ahead now.
Ma'am, after drawing the border, what should we do?
Okay. Everyone, with your sketch pen only first, you can draw this so that it will be easy for you all to color. So this was our down part, this is our up part. Okay? We are drawing a tree. We are drawing a tree. Okay, everyone first, सबसे पहले ये आप लोग स्केच पेन से ही करो. So it will be easy for you all.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I didn't understand how to draw this type of tree. So can I draw another type of tree?
Try drawing this type of tree only, bacha.
Ma'am, can you say it again?
Are you all able to hear me?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
I told you try drawing this type of tree only. It is easy. It is not hard at all.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Try it. Now just give it a try.
Hello, ma'am. My microphone was blocked, ma'am.
What happened?
My microphone was blocked, so I rejoined. Then also it was not coming, ma'am. Now it came.
Okay.
Ma'am, my sister is not here to attend today. Ma'am, after this, what should we do? I'm like this.
Yes,
I'm like this, no?
yes, I told you yes.
Okay. मैम हमने बर्ड नेस्ट बनाना है.
This is not a bird nest.
मैम इतना सर्कल चलेगा क्या?
वेट, मेरा ये हो जाएगा तो आप लोगों को दिखेगा कितना.
Ma'am, is it right? The circle should be this much, ma'am.
जस्ट अ सेकेंड. स्मॉल, जो सबसे स्मॉल आपका कटोरी या ग्लास होगा ना, वो चलेगा. इट शुड नॉट बी बिग.
Ma'am, this shape. Ma'am, this shape. Ma'am.
Yes.
Hi, समृद्धि अक्का.
अरे बड़ा लीजिए छोटा बनाना बंद करो.
Ma'am, like this. Ma'am, like this.
Yes, I told you 2 times yes.
Ma'am, I'm not seeing your tree.
What happened?
Not seeing your tree.
My tree.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, just a second. I'm just showing.
Okay, ma'am.
ये अंदर एक छोटा सर्कल बनाना. ये जो
Tire.
भी है ना, ये ब्लैक होगा. हाँ, टायर, लाइक अ टायर.
Like we are doing a swing.
हाँ, दिस इज अ राउंड स्विंग. Then draw rectangle small lines like this. How I am drawing. First draw each and everything with your sketch pen so that it will be very easy to color afterwards. First draw each and everything with your sketch pen so that it will be really very easy to color afterwards. This I am drawing a bench. Okay, so three small triangles like this you have to draw. Then perpendicular line. Then one line which will be going down like this. Okay, one line like this. All are double lines, huh? All are double lines. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now for this seat na, as the seat is very narrow, if you all want, you can just fill it with the black sketch pen itself. As seat is very narrow, the rectangles which we have drawn are very narrow. So if you all want, you can fill it with the black sketch pen only. No need of doing watercolor over there. Is everyone getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all understanding?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, as this was very much narrow, I didn't use a watercolor brush. I simply did it with the sketch pen only. Coming to the watercolor part, this ring we can color in watercolor. It has to be done black only.
Ma'am, I did tire black, ma'am.
Yes, do it. ओके बहुत ही आराम से करना, स्क्रिबल करके कोई नहीं करेगा। और ब्रश में कम से कम पानी होना चाहिए, पानी ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज योर कलर इज गोइंग टू स्पिल।
Then, ma'am.
Okay, now we have done this. We are going to do the tree part also. We are going to do the tree part. So first the branches we will do.
With black color, ma'am.
Yes, yes. This drawing is called as shadow drawing. What it is called? Shadow drawing. So,
Shadow drawing.
yes.
Ma'am, my sister know to do this drawing.
What?
My sister.
Now you make it and show to your sisters. See, I have also done a shadow drawing.
Ma'am, tree also we should do.
Black color. We are doing the tree.
Ma'am, full tree.
What?
Full tree we should do. Black color.
Yes, full tree we are going to do it. First we have started from the branches.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Then we will slowly do down part.
मैम हमने इसके ब्रांच में ही करना है कि पूरा करना है ट्री का?
बच्चा पहले ब्रांच से स्टार्ट करेंगे हम करेंगे पूरा ट्री बट हम सबसे पहले अपना जो ट्री स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं ना वो ब्रांच से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं.
Ma'am, show me your grass, ma'am.
Show me your what?
Grass part, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Who is this? Kindly be on mute. I have taken my paper straight, otherwise it will be difficult for me to color. So is everyone understanding? Is everyone understanding?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
पहले हमने ब्रांच को इसके लिए कलर किया क्योंकि हम वहां पे लीव्स बनाएंगे, तो हमें सबसे पहले वो एरिया ड्राई चाहिए रहेगा, इसके लिए हमने ब्रांच को सबसे पहले कलर किया। Don't let your color go out of your border. So first, very slowly do all the border line, then you can color your inside part. Everyone done?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, like this.
Just a second, wait. You can draw these type of grasses. I'm doing this with my brush only. If you are not able to do with your brush, you can do with the help of your sketch pen.
Excuse me, ma'am. Please see.
Give me a minute, huh? Give me a minute. Yes, who is showing me?
Ma'am, is this right?
Just a second.
Okay, ma'am.
Make this a little broader.
क्या मैम?
Make this one a little broader.
Ma'am, can I show you?
Yes. Who wants to show me?
Ma'am, Lisa Darshan.
Show me.
Okay.
Yes, very good. Lisa, very good. Vidya Sarat, very good.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, this is correct. Ma'am, this is correct.
Yes, Aryan Tejas. Very
Thank
good.
you, ma'am. Ma'am, see.
Yes, Prisha, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, everyone, I want a cotton in your hand. Take a cotton in your hand. With the help of the cotton, you have to do this.
Ma'am, how did you do?
With the help of the cotton, take black color in the cotton and just pat it like this.
मैम, ये डॉट्स जो आप ट्री पे बना रहे हो, ये हमने किससे बनाने हैं?
कॉटन बच्चा, कॉटन.
हम बर्ड से बना सकते हैं।
बर्ड से बहुत ही पर्टिकुलर आएगा, ऐसा नहीं आएगा.
मैम, इज दिस राइट?
जस्ट अ सेकेंड. जो बच्चा मुझे पूछ रहा था ना बर्ड से, तो बर्ड से एकदम प्रॉपर राउंड आएगा, ऐसा नहीं आएगा.
मैम, पेपर को क्रश करके बना सकते हैं?
हाँ हाँ हाँ, उससे आप कर सकते हो.
मैम, इज दिस करेक्ट?
Yes, yes, it is correct. I have seen.
tomorrow is Father's Day.
Yes, tomorrow is Father's Day.
Ma'am, I will make my father the sandwich we made that week.
What?
I will do the sandwich that we made, ma'am.
Okay, very good. किसी ने तो किया था, मैंने किसी का तो स्टेटस पे देखा. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर द नेम एज ऑफ नाउ.
मैम कप केक भी बना सकते हैं फादर के लिए.
Yes, you can. You can send me the pictures what you have done on your own. हाँ, remember on your own. मम्मा का मदद लेके नहीं, खुद से जो किया ना, I will be happy to see those things.
Ma'am, tomorrow is Father's Day. I have made a Father's Day gift, ma'am.
Very good.
See here, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
see here, ma'am.
Okay, you are showing. Yes.
I have made a bag
Very good.
with quilling papers and I have wrote Happy Father's Day, ma'am.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'm happy to see that you all are doing the things what we have learned in the class. This is the most good thing which a teacher is seeing, that you all are even practicing the things at home.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Father's Day I do cake.
Yes, you can make a cake.
Thank you, ma'am.
The
Ma'am, what we are doing next? Mine over and dried, ma'am. That's why I am asking.
what happened?
Ma'am? Ma'am, what we are doing next?
Yes, next we are going to draw a sun
Ma'am?
with the help of cotton only again, with the mixture of red and orange color.
मैम ये ड्राइंग आप सेंड भी करोगे? मैम रेड एंड ऑरेंज.
Yes. See, like this.
Ma'am, I don't have orange, ma'am.
Take red color then.
Ma'am,
Yes,
drawing.
we are drawing birds now.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm drawing it with the help of sketch pen. If you all want, you all also can draw with the help of sketch pen.
Ma'am, like this.
Ma'am, my over, ma'am, even birds.
We have completed our watercolor drawings.
Ma'am,
Did
like
you all
this.
like this drawing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Very good.
ma'am. I have made this for Father's Day.
What
Ma'am,
happened?
what are we doing tomorrow?
What is our tomorrow's activity? It is yoga, right?
I don't know, ma'am.
It is yoga, na, tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, shall I show mine? Ma'am, can you see mine, Samruddhi Patil?
Yes, Samruddhi, wait. Just a second. Yes, Samruddhi, I can see. So this
Can
is
I
our
leave?
completed drawing for today.
Can
Okay?
I leave, ma'am?
Yes.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, everyone.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you send your painting, please?
Yes, I will send. Don't worry.
Okay. Ma'am, Presha.
Wow, very good. Very good. Okay, everyone. Bye.
Greeting card for my daddy, ma'am. Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Ma'am. Bye, ma'am.